You ready? I'm ready. She ready? Like I'm ready. Welcome back, people. It's my first Redline restoration. This shit was horrendous. This is the pit crew car. I emailed someone about this car and it kind of didn't turn out well. Taught me something. Nothing bad, nothing evil. So, this is it, taking it apart. I had 3 of these, so probably know what's inside a Redline already. Had a casting that pretty much done already. Just gotta get some decals. So inside here, the problem I had, it was all crumpled up and it wasn't uneven. It was just very all over the place. So the post wasn't even matching up to the casting. So I'll probably show you that. That was on both cars. If you can see, you don't even. It's not even up there with it. So tried to clean the windshield. That was before I knew how. So, but all of that. The cool part is the interior. Very simple, 1-seater. Some type of space. The main problem I had with putting it together, or keeping it together, was the posts weren't even. So after some work, came out with this. Look at that, look right there. There we go. Wait, why are you doing this? Oh, because you're rolling. Well, yeah. Came out with that. Now the cool part about this is an opening feature. So on this one the post was fine, so I just swapped. I just pretty much put 3 cars into one. I had wheels. Before I knew how much the value was, I painted the bottom black. I was going to customize it, but I was going to keep this interior. This open feature, I was going to keep that pretty intact. So I think this one was designed by Larry Wood. Yeah, designed by Larry Wood. So pretty much started with this and ended up with that. So I just had to take some parts out of one, put it in the other. But the cool thing is, posts aren't even on. You don't even see the post. I had to crazy glue them together, so it's crazy glue all around the rim. So between the black and the white, it's all crazy glued. So all in the meantime, I did order some decals. I haven't put them on yet, so ordered some from here. Check them out. Here are the decals. So eventually I'll put these on, but yeah. So as far as my first casting, first Redline, here it is, the crew car. Consider about making another Redline. Got a 4J car I want to do, but haven't decided on the color. I don't have any Spectra Flame colors, so could probably nail that down. Probably get those. So alright, catch you next time at the Galactic Garage.